I spent only $50 on groceries for the entire month, but still hit 100 grams of protein every single day for 30 days straight. Doctors told me it's impossible on this budget. What happened to my body by day 30 shocked even me. Hey guys, welcome back. For the next 30 days I challenged myself, can I build muscle and transform my body while spending no more than $50 a month on food? That's less than $1.60 per day. No supplements, no protein powder, no expensive chicken breast. Just real food from Walmart, Aldi, and local discount stores. Starting weight, 68 kilograms or 150 pounds. Body fat around 22%. I was skinny fat, low energy, always tired. Here are the before photos, don't judge me too hard. So how did I do it? These 7 items cost me only $48 for the whole month. 1. Eggs, 5 dozen for $8. 2. Whole chicken legs, 10 pounds for $9. 3. Peanut butter, 2 big jars for $6. 4. Canned tuna in water, 15 cans for $10. 5. Greek yogurt, store brand, 8 tubs for $8. 6. Lentils, 5 pounds dry for $4. 7. Oats, 10 pounds for $3 total, $48. $2 left for salt and spices. Day 1 to 10 typical day. Breakfast, 4 whole eggs plus 1 cup Greek yogurt plus 1 tablespoon peanut butter 48 g protein. Lunch, 500 g chicken leg quarters baked plus 1 cup cooked lentils 60 g protein. Dinner, 2 cans tuna plus 2 tablespoons peanut butter on oats 52 g protein. Total, 160 g protein, under $8 a week. Day 11 to 20 variation. Breakfast, 6 egg whites plus 2 whole eggs plus oats. Lunch, slow-cooked whole chicken plus lentils. Snack, Greek yogurt plus peanut butter. Dinner, tuna plus leftover chicken. Still hitting 140-170 g daily. Day 21 to 30, final push. Added 1 extra can of tuna and 1 extra spoon of peanut butter, consistently 150-180 g protein. Weight, 72 kilograms plus 4 kilograms. Body fat, 15%, minus 7%. Gained 3.5 kilograms lean muscle according to my smart scale. Energy 24/7, sleep improved, skin clearer. All for $48 total food cost. Why did this work so well? Whole eggs and chicken legs are the cheapest complete protein sources. Peanut butter gives healthy fats plus extra 8 g protein per tablespoon. Lentils are dirt cheap and 25 g protein per cup cooked. Tuna is basically pure protein for pennies. 99% of people fail this challenge because they buy expensive chicken breast instead of legs. They waste money on protein bars. They don't eat the skin and dark meat, that's where the flavor and savings are. If you want the exact shopping list, full 30-day meal plan PDF, macros breakdown, and printable grocery checklist, it's completely free. Just drop protein in the comments and I'll DM you the link. Or check the first pinned comment. $50 a month changed my body forever. If I can do it from Saudi Arabia buying at Lulu and Panda, you can do it anywhere. Like this video if you're starting this challenge today. Subscribe and hit the bell, next video I'm doing the same challenge but under $30. See you there.